To pay your Costco credit card, follow these simple steps. First, you need to determine which type of Costco credit card you have, as the payment process may vary depending on the issuer. Costco credit cards are typically issued by Citi, so we will focus on the Citi payment process. To make a payment, you can use the online portal, mobile app, phone, mail, or in-person payment methods. The online portal is the most convenient way to make a payment. To do this, go to the Citi website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to register for one. Once you are logged in, click on the Make a Payment button and select the payment amount and due date. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or a custom amount. You will also need to provide your bank account information to complete the payment. Alternatively, you can use the Citi mobile app to make a payment. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply log into the app, select the Make a Payment option, and follow the prompts to complete the payment. If you prefer to pay by phone, you can call the Citi customer service number and follow the automated prompts to make a payment. You can also mail a check or money order to the address listed on your statement. But be sure to allow enough time for the payment to be processed before the due date. Finally, you can make a payment in person at a Citi bank branch or at a Costco warehouse. To do this, simply visit the location and provide your credit card information and payment amount to the representative. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made promptly. Additionally, consider enrolling in paperless statements and account alerts to stay on top of your account activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily make a payment on your Costco credit card and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always review your account statement carefully and contact Citi customer service if you have any questions or concerns about your account.